So how long does it normally take to spray out a house like this size?
This size, it's going to take us a couple days.
To spray the whole thing?
About 2 days to spray this entire thing, just because of how steep the pitch is and how it requires a lot more.
A lot of ladder work. A lot of scaffold work, huh?
A lot of scaffold work, a lot of ladder work, so once you do it on the ladder, it takes a little bit longer. But once we get to the flat walls and everything, it'll go a lot faster.
That's great.
So the ultimate plan today is to get all the pitch sections right here done. That way tomorrow we get to do all the easy work.
Ah, way to go. Get the craft work done first.
Absolutely. Big fan of that.
Well, I'm going to watch him do this right here so we get a good video of it. This man was kind enough to help us with this. And he's just kind of, see how it, and you just spray it right in there. And see, it just swells right up. And see where my seams are on my seedling. All my seams are also being sealed. Now we have tape on the outside, and we have this on the inside, so we got a double whammy of perfect. And now he's testing it for depth.
That's one good thing about our machine though. With foam, if you don't have the right ratio of 1-to-1 ratio to resin, you have bad foam. And when you have bad foam, it smells like fish in your house. But with right foam, our reactor, we have one of the best reactors on the market. It doesn't allow us to make bad foam. If it is not the proper ratio, the machine shuts down and we have to fix the problem before we can keep going.
Awesome.
So that's a huge security when we're doing this.
That's why you got to hire the right company, folks. Get somebody who knows. I'm out of here now. Let him get to his work. Thanks, guys. We appreciate you.